Hey guys, Brian and Aaron here from 5 to Go. This is the first of the official Tampa videos.
Ooh.
Yee! We did the little we camped at the show video just to kind of show you what was going on last week. And now it is time to start all of the tours and
walkthroughs and all that stuff that we
have a dream rig video coming up. We have expensive stuff. We have cheap stuff. We have truck campers. We have more motorhomes with bunks than I thought existed.
True.
And then we also have the most ridiculous video.
Oh my god.
We have ever shot.
Yeah.
But you're gonna have to wait a couple weeks for that. We're gonna keep talking it up and hopefully it'll deliver.
It's insanity.
So today we are going to look at 2 River Ranch models, and I think these almost hit that sweet spot between Motorhome and Fifth Wheel.
Yes, absolutely.
Because as you'll see very soon, that they have a low ceiling inside, but that means a high floor and a poop ton
oh my
of storage on the outside. So check them out. All right, here we have the Columbus River Ranch 392MB.
And we've heard about this one before.
We have heard about this one from our friends Home Meets Road because
yes.
This is what they're getting.
Hopefully, what they're wanting to get.
Yeah. I don't know if we're throwing the cat out of the bag or whatever here, but this is a very interesting fifth wheel. You'll notice.
Thank you.
Thank you. You'll notice that there is a poop ton of storage under here. This is, yes, it is actually a poop ton. It says it on the brochure.
Okay.
So this is like a motorhome.
But even more.
Where the floor, well, yeah, I mean, there's more storage than we have. But the thing is, that's the floor.
Yep.
Whereas traditionally you would come up in the steps and your floor, you'll notice when we go inside that there's not the ceiling height that you're used to in a fifth wheel.
Right.
Watch this slide.
It's more like a motorhome.
Yeah, so it's more like a motorhome where your floor is going to be up higher. You can see the height of the floor in here.
Yeah.
And then the ceiling's going to be lower. But I would rather have storage than that tall ceiling because I thought I wouldn't like that in a motorhome, having the lower ceiling, but it has not been a problem.
Nope.
So, River Ranch 392MB, and here's their little graphic on it.
Beautiful.
All right, let's go in and see what it looks like. Solid steps. So this immediately is weird.
Yeah.
Because you, like in a motorhome, you have these big steps coming up even farther in.
And there's like a gate.
Wow.
Look, this like closes.
Oh, it's a built-in gate. Yeah, so you close that off so you don't fall down the stairs. I like
That's
it.
lovely.
Very cool.
Okay.
So we've got a little dinette over here, a couple theater seats, and a couch. And then we've got windows all the way around back here. All right. It's a nice layout.
It is nice.
What is...
Plenty of space.
Where did that come from? Oh, that's a
from
pull-out
under
bed.
It's like a pull-out bed.
Okay.
But you can do it
And
like a
then
chaise
got a
lounge.
fireplace and a TV over here.
Nice size TV.
It's one of the newer ovens.
Yeah, that's
I
like
believe.
full profile oven. You can fit a turkey in there.
It's the full height oven.
Yep,
And
and
it looks like convection.
no,
Not convection.
Not convection, but it has a proper oven. So.
Nice big island with the lighting underneath. I like that.
Yeah, and then
Some storage.
this is a big.
Yeah, that's a dual fuel.
Dual fuel, North Cold.
So it's a double door top and bottom. Oh, I like these. I like these little push. Oh.
Yeah, that's very clever. If you haven't seen those.
So you have outlets, but they're out of the way. Sorry, I need to get my hat out of my hand. Can you put this in the bag, honey?
Sure. This has 3 air conditions too, because there's 2 here, and I'm assuming there's another one up front.
2. I would hope there's another one up there.
Yeah, so 3. It might be 3 or 4.
Oh, did I miss pantry?
Pantry.
What we got here? Yeah, pantry. Just 2 doors worth of pantry.
It's enough.
It goes back in there a little ways.
Yeah. You're gonna have to come through this way to then go in there.
Okay, so this is. Oh, it's a mid bunk. That's right.
Yeah, that's what the MB stands for.
MB, mid bunk. Yeah, so we've got a couch, and then. Oh, it looks like this is falling.
Oh, don't touch things.
Ruh-roh. So that's a bed that falls down, and there's obviously a window back there.
Yeah, and
there's a vent.
It's wider than I was expecting, but you can put a TV in here, and then there's space up here. There's not a lot of storage though, like for clothing. So
no, there's 2 really shallow cabinets there, and then another one of these pop-up guys.
Okay, so a nice little like kind of desk area, but not a lot of clothes storage.
Controls. So we've got a nice hallway.
So you could put some more clothing in here, but you could also use this as a pantry.
Okay, it's making a really weird noise.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is where your kids' clothes could go.
Probably, yeah.
And then
I really like the windows.
There's nice big storage up there too. Okay.
I like the windows in the hallway.
Yeah, that's a nice feature.
Nice. I'm assuming this is a bathroom.
Yep.
So we're going to have a more traditional front end for a fifth wheel, right?
Yeah.
Oh, but
it's a good sized bathroom.
Oh yeah, it is?
Yeah. This is quite nice.
Okay. Foot flush. Looks porcelain because it's shiny.
Yep.
Give it the old ring tap.
Yep. My ring isn't as substantial as yours.
And then these are solid countertops.
Yeah.
I like this nothing that's easy to clean around.
Yep. Good size here.
Yep.
And then enough space down here to put some toilet paper.
Okay, and then there's
they put a towel hook here.
Towel hook on the door.
That's nice, because when the door's shut, then you have it to do your hands.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Alright, so another little cabinet.
Some more storage in here.
I don't know what I would put
It's like a coat closet. There's coat hooks
Are there
up there.
hooks?
Yeah.
Okay. I was going to say, I would have put command hooks in there.
There we go. Now we can see.
Light. So swinging doors.
Oh, I like
so this is a slide that comes out, so it's your drawers and another fireplace. That's nice.
Yep.
And then a televator, little on the tiny side.
That's all right.
More of the pop-up plugs.
And then there is an AC in here, like you would expect.
So it's dual. It's opposing slides in the bedroom.
That's lovely.
Yeah, because we got one here and one over there.
And then
it's a king bed.
Washer dryer hookups.
There's no arms on the sides. That would be a CPAP issue.
CPAP issue, yes.
So for those of you that have turned our videos into drinking games, take a shot because I said CPAP.
Yep. And then
you could do a stackable in there.
Yep.
Yep. So we got washer dryer hookups over here.
Yep.
You can take that little shelf out. There's a little window pass-through thingy over there.
Yeah, I guess.
It's weird.
Maybe. So you can access things when the washer and dryer are in here.
Oh, okay.
That's nice.
I guess actually you could store like brooms or mops or something back behind there.
You could.
And you could reach the stuff to hook things up.
Yeah.
That would be nice.
Some of these in the front of fifth wheels are big enough to put like a baby bed in.
You could do like a
this one is not. This one's not big enough.
Not really.
It's not wide enough. No. But plenty of room for clothing if you're going to use it traditionally.
Yeah. It's a
yeah,
nice
this
unit.
is nice. And this is a king size bed.
Yeah.
So.
And I'm assuming there's storage under it. So.
Yeah.
Nice unit. I like it.
Or not storage.
Yeah,
there is storage. Okay, good.
There's
That's
a lot.
nice size.
Extra chairs.
Yeah. Okay.
Plenty of room. Cool.
Good. I like it.
Good.
Okay. That was loud.
That was loud.
Sorry about that, everybody.
I'm sorry, just woke me up.
All right, and then back out front. So just came back out the door. There's even. I mean, the storage is just insane. Look at this. This is the front. So under the front bedroom. Doors all the way around. My God. I gotta see the sticker on this. I mean, I know Dan has a really big truck, so it won't be a problem. The gross is $17,900, and cargo is $37,200, $3,729. That's not bad.
No.
You could easily put 3,000 pounds worth of stuff under there.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
That's
Awesome.
right.
Awesome.
That's right.
Okay, next up we have another River Ranch by Columbus. This is the fifth wheel with the elevated floor, so you don't have the big tall ceilings, but you have a poop ton of storage underneath. This is the F390RL, so a little bit different than the other one. Let's show the storage here.
Again.
Big, massive. It is just an insane amount of storage. This one has a door off the back. I think the other one did as well. And then there's a power reel over there. It's just crazy how much storage is in this thing. And then more storage up in the front. Alrighty, so let's see what this floor plan is. 390RL. Okay, so we've got the little entry stairs. This is identical.
Yep, the gate and everything.
The gate. This looks the same so far. Okay.
It's a little bit longer.
I don't think so. We got the dinette, the recliners, the couch with the flip and fold, whatever this is. We got the windows around the edge. Yeah, this is the same as the other one so far.
Still, I like that they can fit a big TV in here too.
Yeah. Kitchen is bigger.
Yeah, there's more space.
Yeah, the island is longer.
Yeah.
Okay, so the island's longer, the kitchen is a little bit
There's a
bigger.
little bit more space on either sides here. And still not a convection.
No. Got the newer ovens that work better. This
there's
one
a
has an ice
window
maker.
here.
There's a window here. So is it longer?
I think so.
Okay.
Oh.
Nice, technically walk-in pantry. Yeah, lots of storage in here.
Yeah. I like
Okay.
it.
So then forward.
Long hallway.
So the other one had like cabinets here.
Mm-hmm.
So there's nothing in this hallway. There are windows though. Okay.
Big old bathroom.
Whoa.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
So toilet, nice, huge shower. And then a dual sink vanity.
With tons of
With a
space.
mask.
Just so much space.
Yeah. So why not cabinets?
Because there's, look under here. Look how deep those are.
Okay, but why not cabinets?
Because it's too far away, you can't reach it.
That makes sense.
If
it was out to here, you could totally.
I know, but now you have all this space to just put stuff on.
Oh, there it is. Aaron wants to just fill all of this square footage with stuff.
Space for stuff. So this has a good bit of space on your side.
All right, take your CPAP shot because I got room for 4 or 5 CPAPs over here, and this is my side of the bed. So we got a king in here.
That's a full chug.
Yeah.
I think.
And we got opposing slides again. I really appreciate that.
I do too.
Nice windows around here for some light. And then we have the front looks the same up there.
Yep. And then this
Yeah.
is washer dryer.
Washer dryer. Yep. So that's the same exact front as the other one.
Yep.
And then we have that over there.
Yeah.
So yeah, I like it. A
This is
couple
nice.
differences.
This one's not for families though.
Yeah, I think the other
The other
one
one
better for
definitely
them.
better for a family of
Yep.
1 or 2 kids.
And again, just like the other one, there's even more storage up front. Just bonkers amounts of storage in these things. Crazy. Let's see if the sticker on this one is the same as the other. Oh, it smells like funnel cake over here. All right, this one is 17.9, cargo 38.38. Look at all these doors. Crazy, crazy. I have a feeling we're going to see more manufacturers doing this style of the higher floor level fifth wheels, because that is the kind of change that we've been wanting to see in RVs for a couple years now. This is innovative. We're not seeing a lot of that right now, so I appreciate this a lot.
Yeah. What did you guys think? Would you give up the high ceilings in a fifth wheel for all of that storage and all being on one level? I think it's a good deal.
I mean, we gave it up with a motorhome.
Right.
Right? And I haven't missed it at all.
No.
Yeah, I mean, I've missed it. We've never had a fifth wheel.
No, not yet.
Right. So the high ceilings, I get the appeal.
Right.
But especially when full-timing, space is at a premium. And when I walk in those and see those big high ceilings, I'm like, look at all this storage space.
Look at all the storage space. So I think that they've kind of hit the nail on the head with this one and gone outside of the box of what everybody else is doing and made it a lot more accessible for full-timers.
Yeah, I think the first model years for those was 2020. Then, you know, the world went sideways and everything's been weird.
Yeah.
And also it's a long lead time for other manufacturers to pick up new things. I heard it's like 5 to 7 years from coming up with something new to it actually hitting the market. So I hope that more fifth wheel manufacturers will start doing this kind of thing as a solution for, as you'll see in an upcoming video, we look at a bunch of toy haulers, and you want to talk about an utter lack of storage.
And
Holy
imagination.
cow. Well, lack of imagination,
But
yeah. We have another video coming up where we show off a bunch of unique floor plans and what we think is unique about them.
Right.
Because she said lack of imagination. Yeah, I mean, you go to that show, 70% of the RVs are one of 5 floor plans.
Yep.
And we're not exaggerating. Like, there needs to be more cool stuff, and we think this one is super cool. Plus, we have friends that are getting them, and hopefully, are getting one of these, and hopefully we will see them later this year.
That would be awesome.
We'll get to see how they go from a really small vintage trailer, which you probably saw the tour of. It's Dan and Jessa. We did a tour of their rig earlier this year. They're going to go from that to one of these river ranches. Mm-hmm. I think they could fit their entire vintage trailer in the basement.
Inside of it, yeah. It's going to be a nice upgrade.
Yeah, so thanks for watching. We've got a poop time?
Oh my gosh.
Poop time more videos?
I don't like that word. I don't like it. We have a lot more videos,
We have a lot more videos coming up from Tampa. We're going to space them out a little bit because I know YouTube has kind of gone nuts.
Right.
All the RVers on YouTube have kind of gone nuts by getting that stuff out as fast as possible. We're taking a different approach. And we'll drip feed y'all because
we got to get you through this long winter.
Yeah. Yeah, look at this. Florida's broken, guys.
Florida's broken. It's cold and wet and rainy, and I can't see the sun.
It is. It is the next week, and it is still cloudy and rainy and cold. Someone please fix Florida.
Please. We're ready.
See you guys in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.